let's have a closer look at the Benro tripod. We have a nice carry bag with a shoulder strap. When we open it, we have inside everything stored conveniently. Let me show that we have a pouch here with accessories. So these are these screws to be put at the bottom for use in on the grass, on the snow, or in any other place where the rubber feet would not be suitable. And we have instruction manual. On the instruction manual, there are two sets of instructions. One is for the Benro travel flat itself, with all the specifications in English, Chinese, and something else, with picture and all the instructions. Yeah. And then there is a second one, which is the instruction manual for the Benro head. This is the 1B series, 1B0 to be precise. It explains how to operate those heads, which is actually pretty simple. So let me get this off the way. Let me show you something more about okay, here we go. As you can see, it's nice and flat. You can't open these legs unless you pull off this lever. When you pull it off, then these extend with a good amount of force. Go back and forward unless you put it in a stop position again. Same for this one. You need to pull off the lever. You put it in the leg in the angle you wish, and you stop it again. Goes without saying, the third leg operates in the same way. Now these carbon fiber legs are easily extendable. So with the half a turn, even less, you can pull them off for the entire length, and then you can screw them again back with half of a turn or even less. Not all the legs are the same. There is this one leg with cushiony, foamy cover, which can be completely detached and becomes a very convenient monopod. Extensible. Very convenient monopod. Let's screw it again. There is a nice lever here, so you can stabilize for the height. And let's go to the head itself. Now the head itself is made of, let's do this. There are 3 levers here. This one unlocks the ball head. So it goes in all the directions, and then it locks it here. There is a second level for the heads, which is the friction. The friction controls how much force you need to apply to control the head. If I loosen it fully, it falls apart, right? It's very handy for adjustments on the flight, and then tightening up the lock function, the ball doesn't move at all, very sturdy. there is a third knob here, which is the pan lock. Pan lock allows to move the head horizontally for panorama locks. Okay, good. And then finally there is a control. Let's get it down a bit. Very sturdy. That is a control here for, let's move this around here, right? So this is the ball head. There is another level. This can be screwed, unscrewed up to a certain distance, and then continuing to take it out. Okay. Back in place. There are two steps. So again, there is a first step. This is sturdy, starts to move. That's hard to press, but it doesn't come off. It's still very secure. I need to extend and then turn it further down in order for this to come up. Very secure, very nice feature. Now the head can be removed, and we can add the extension here. The extension can be placed here. When fully extended, this can be unscrewed and the head can be positioned on top. When fully extended, the tripod has a decent height. And although this is not scientific, it has an impressive height of 165 that with the camera on top will reach to 170. Yeah, here we go. Still have an height of 170 on a sturdy Alpha I99 with a decent Xi 2470. Very good. So what can I say in conclusion about this product? The Benro is not the easiest product to find in stores. Certainly you can still find it online. I don't know if they are discontinuing it. Looks like this model has been put on the market quite some years ago. But I find it very, very convenient. So I'm pretty happy about it.